Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to delete thousands of extra columns in Excel. Now see this column. Select single columns or all last. Okay. Now delete this. Right click mouse. Delete. Again. Delete multiple columns. Alt control. Okay. Right click mouse. Press delete. And you see this, remove blank extra columns or rows. Simply select full table, Control A, or okay, Control Z. Click special, select blank. Now click OK. Automatically selected all blank cells and right click mouse, delete enter row. Then click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.